what you see, guys, I got the Armor Felony. It's the Viper. You guys saw this in the race the other day. You saw it kick some behind. So I got it out here today in this nice hot 90+ degree weather. Got my custom made body clips on there. And as you see, everything is factory. Factory. Running the 160 amp ESC. Got your, what motor is that? Forget what it was. Whatever it is. Anyway, it's all stock. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick run on 6S. Got me a big brick from Innovation RC. Get that right there, China Hobby Lines. 10,000 milliamps, so that's a lot of long life running the car. So get that in there. Got my GPS, so we're gonna get some speed out here too. We're gonna check it out and see how fast these things go. All right, but I got a surprise for you guys.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, what's going on, family?
Hey.
Hey, what's on, dude? Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Oh, good. How you doing, mama?
Hi, how are you?
Good. All right, man. So I was given the task of doing something special for you for your birthday, and I want to go ahead and show you what it is. All right. So go ahead, close your eyes. All right, go ahead, open it.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
Whoa.
Got you your own car, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is the Traxxas 4Tec, and Killerbody painting you a custom body,
Oh,
the
thank
Skyline. You want to go ahead and check it out, man? You want to open it? Yeah, let's open this. Let's do it. So it comes with its own toolkit. There you go, sharks. Go ahead, it's yours. Oh, it's yours, man. Just go on. So that is a 1/10 scale on-road car. I know you was talking about it and was talking to your dad, and we was going through it, and he was like, "Oh man, you would love this. You give him that." So we was definitely debating on which one you would like. So you said that you like the Skyline, so got you the Skyline body, and I paid it. You said you liked the black and yellow, right? That's my colors. That's my colors. I was like, "Oh, I can do this." I can do this. So. And I got you a toolkit. Dad said you like to tinker. So, yeah. Oh man.
What you say, man?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you can work on your own car with these tools. It's a good starter set so you can get to figure out how to take the tires off, change the motor, speed controller, everything. Everything you can do in this car, you can use these tools for. You're welcome. And here's your lipo battery. Yeah. Comes with a combo kit, so it's just an easy big charger. You don't have to do anything but plug it in and press start, and it will start charging for you. You don't have to do nothing. You don't have to fancy. And you will start to notice if your car's running slow, that means your battery is throwing juice. And this is the battery right here. So I already charged the battery up for you.
Oh,
So you can run it right now if you want to.
sure.
Let's do it. Be gentle with the body. I get a lot of work on this. This is a Killerbody from Killerbody RC, and they come in pieces. So I had to assemble everything. Not like this body. It comes in one big piece, but this one comes with instructions. You gotta make sure you follow the instructions when you making a Killerbody. They normally use this body for drifting and everything else, but you got it used for on road, so you can use it. So you have mirrors, spoiler, diffuser, and outside.
It's so detailed. It's got windshield wipers.
And a rear one too.
And a rear one.
And not only that, it has light buckets, so you can install lights inside.
Alright, so first one we're doing. I need lights.
You need lights. He said, I need lights. You need lights. Then you can run it at night. But you guys want to watch out, and you know what? Go ahead, race. Remember how to go left, right, how to go reverse. There you go. And it's all based on how hard you put on the throttle. But go ahead, have at it, man. Go for it. I want to see you do it.
That was too much though. This is
It does. It looks like you're like in a little movie.
yeah, right?
Do you notice that you have a track?
Yeah.
You have a track. You follow it? You see it on the floor?
See right there? There's a little circle track that goes around here and all the way around.
You're inside the track right now.
Well,
This is Jadriel's birthday present. Happy birthday, son.
thank you, Daddy.
What you get?
I got a beautiful, amazing
What is it?
R34 body and chassis.
Look at that joker.
Check that out.
Are you ready?
Yeah?
You're gonna racing my boy here,
There you go.
Anton.
There you go.
Look at what he got. Woo-wee. That Audi.
Got it?
So you
Want to get a
wanna
practice
do
lap?
Yeah.
Go get a practice lap.
All right.
Get a practice lap. So, there you go. There you go. That car looks nice.
Yeah, that car is nice. Woo! Whoa!
Yeah, you got it. You get it.
Got some juice.
Your birthday, you call it. All gold, green, all grass. Oh, you got it. Whoa.
Whoa!
Beat me to the line.
Yo, what was that?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Nice. Go.